Thanksgiving. We are. Let's see here. I wanted to. I had an idea. We've done stock price predictions previously on the stream. We wanted to see if this would be interesting to try a vision transformer. And also, we're doing a lot more Rust recently. And I wanted to, instead of doing some Python today, I figured let's do some Rust. Let's see if we can get some Rust going. A little refresher on Rust. I think that would be pretty neat. I think that's a neat idea. I'm actually kind of excited about it. All right, so let's pull this over here. Get all the things in the right spots. All right. Looking good there. All right, I think that's good. Hey, Quantified Quantum, welcome on in. Happy Friday. Good to see you. I know we've been doing a lot of game-ish type development stuff. I maybe get back to that here in a bit. I just thought, like, what? Can we use a vision transformer to do some stock? Just normal, like, take the price of a stock. Just the price, just as the input data. Scale it based on the min and max as the input, and the output will be whether the stock price will go up like maybe 5% or something. Or, well, I mean, it can't jump 5%, right? That would be a problem. Like, maybe let's think this through. In the next 5 minutes, will it increase enough to where you would want to make a decision? That's what I'm wondering. I'm wondering if we could train a model to do that. We won't finish it today. I know we won't. We'll definitely not finish it today. Though I am wondering if it would even work. Can we see if can we get the data to see if it even works? So we could grab some data from YJS like we usually do. Then we will go message not showing on screen from chat. Oh, it's not. Let me see here. Clicking buttons. Oh, you're right. It isn't. It's just. Oh, on the let me see here. It looks like on the horizontal it is showing up. Let me see. Let me zoom in on this. Okay, message not show. Yeah, it shows it weird. So yeah, it'd be hard to see. It is showing up on the horizontal, but sorry, the vertical, but not the horizontal. It's in a weird. I don't know what the deal is. Why is it different? Why is it different? I don't know. How's it going, everyone? Hey, good to see you. Welcome on in. Dennis Geller, how's it going? Dennis Geller, good to see you. Welcome on in. It's been quite a while. Hey, Blue, how's it going? Blue, good to see you again. The Tech Man, hey, how's it going? Happy Friday, you guys. We're gonna do some stock prediction stuff. Let's see if we can make that happen. Let's see here. It just showed. It just showed. Okay, it's showing. Weird. I don't know. It's the Streamlabs plugin. So what maybe was out of sync. IG. Okay, got it. All right. So now it's in sync. Now we're good to go. Now we're looking good. All right. So let's see here. All right. Let's see. I wanted to do some stock price prediction using a vision transformer and Rust. That's what I wanted to do. So before we jump in, so I was about to search for this best torch lib for Rust. The most established, widely used library for integrating with PyTorch is TorchRS Crate, which provides Rust bindings for the C++ storage library. All right, let's see if we can use it. Actually, what I want to do, I want to use this. That's what I want to do. Is there any other options though? Is there like an easier option? I want the easy options. What I want. All right, let's see here. Module, optimizer config, device, tensor. All right, my module. Okay, implement module. Okay, and this would be, so do we have to do it like this? Do we have to do our own, so maybe we could just copy and paste this here. Is that what we have to do? I'm actually kind of curious. Input dimensions, hidden, and then output size 10. All right, so this is the MNIST, right? This got to be the MNIST. Yeah, it is. All right, here it is. So you can see 784 input and then 10 output. Yeah, that's the MNIST. That's like the straight up MNIST. I like the new horizontal look. Hey, nice. Maybe try a different layout so the chat doesn't cover your face. Where should the chat go? Let's see here. Click that over here. All right, where should it go? I don't know. Let me see here. Let me zoom in on that. All right. Here is it. Where should we put it? We can move it around. Where should we put it? So where is the chat? Here's the chat right here. So the problem is, like, we could put it here, and then it covers that part, right? So we could put it there, or we could put it over here, or we could put it over here. Like, where should it go? Where should it go? You guys, let me know. Let me know where it should go. Obviously, if I put it right here, you can't read anything. You can't see anything there. So I figure like the best place is, hey, how's it going? Gun Highs, Haziz. Hey, hello there, mister. Hey, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Friday, you guys. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so let me know. Let me know where it should go. Because I can put it in different spots, but there's only so many spots that could go. So there, I'll put it here. I'll put it here for now. Maybe I'll make it smaller. Maybe a smidgen smaller. So it's just a little bit better. I don't know. We'll figure it out. It's Friday. Yeah, the regular full-on Friday. Not like a little bit Friday. It's full-on Friday. Let's get drunk on Friday. All right. Party for Friday, you guys. All right, so let me know where the chats should go. Where the chat should show up on screen. What you doing? Hey, Pooby Dooby Doo. We're going to be writing Rust and libtorch is what we're going to do. We're going to use Rust and libtorch to see if we can make it work. I don't know. I've done it before. I've wanted to make it happen. So we're going to see if we can get something simple. Let's at least get something simple going before we head into the full-on torch vision transformer. I think that would be good. Yeah, that's better. All right, cool. All right, Blue, thank you. Thank you for the feedback. So it's just a little bit smaller up in the top corner there. Let me see the chat for the horizontal though. Is that where we want to put it? I'm going to just like lean some stuff out here. All right, so we do have it here. Do we want it to be there? Do we want the chat box to be there? Or do we want chat box? I don't know. It's tough to see. It's really tough to see. I don't know. We'll leave it here. I've got an idea. We'll put it right there for now. We'll put it there. Well, yeah, I don't know. I haven't figured it out. I don't care that much. I care a little bit. Did you have a good Thanksgiving? Yeah, I did. I had a great Thanksgiving. Thank you for asking. It looked better up high. Okay, we'll do up high. All right, up high. There we go. Up high. Excellent. So a smidgen. We'll like shrink it down just a smidgen. Is there everything else? Okay, good. Let me bring this down just a smidgen. All right, there we go. There we go. All right, we did it. Is this something out of my syllabus? It could be. It could be, right? Because we're gonna do computer engineering stuff. That's what we're doing here. Software engineering, you guys. All right, let's get into it. So I wanted to use libtorch in Rust. That's what I wanted to do. Let's do something simple. Let's get the XOR simple version running, and then I want to see if we're good to go. So optimizer. I remember this accuracy. We could do that. All right. So there's the optimizer, the loss. Where's our loss at? Loss. Oh, no, the forward cross interbeat. You could do that? Look at that. There's a multi-dot notation. That's neat. I didn't know you could do that. That's pretty satisfying. We making the game again? Hey, the tech man. We are putting the game on pause for a bit. I wanted to do some Rust AI with libtorch. Right, you know, you've heard of PyTorch, right? You've heard of PyTorch, where you can use Python and libtorch, which is written in C++, to write your own AI models. I want to do the same thing, except for in Rust. I wanted to get it going in Rust. So that's my idea. And plus, I needed to get a little bit bumped up on Rust here, just a refresher, because I don't want to lose it. You can do it like this if you want, so then your screen gets more visibility. All right, let me check here. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Let me click the button over here. Clicking the button. All right. Oh, okay. So it's, got it. So I need to put a background on it, is what you're saying? We should put a background on it. So I see you've got the Primeagen there. You've got the Primeagen. All right. Here you go. So here, you've got the Primeagen and you've got the chat. Although he's got like the full screen chat here up. Right, he's got the full screen chat going, which I could probably also post up there, though mostly it's the code. The code's on the screen, right? I guess we could flip back and forth between different views. We could try that as well. We could also try that. That could be something that we do. So I'm right. PyTorch is Python binding of libtorch. Yes, you got it. Quantify quantum. That's it. You got it. That's it. That's what we're doing. We're using libtorch in this. In the case where you do it in Python is PyTorch, right? The binding for libtorch in Python. But we're going to do Rust Torch, right? Torch RS, which is the bindings in Rust. That's what we're going to do today. Too much information for my tiny brain cells. I'm just leaving. Have a good time. All right. Pooby dooby doo. All right. Sounds good to me. Enjoy your Friday. All right. So let's jump out over here. I suppose we could do something like that. I need to let me think about it. Let's see here. Oh, all right. Let's see over here. Click buttons. Hey, how's it going? Sosa Roberto. How's it going? Welcome on in. Good to see you. All right, let's see here. Let's get this going. I want to let's just grab this. Let's just do the hello world. Let's do basic. Let's do basic stuff. All right, PB paste into actually we need to make a new thing, right? We need to do cargo init. Is that what we got to do? We got cargo init. CD dot cargo init stock. All right. Oh wait, no, cargo. We got to type it right. Cargo. All right, there we go. CD stock price predict. All right. By cargo toml, and then dependency is going to be torch. We need this. We need this right here. Hey, Eddie Legendary, how's it going? Sup? Welcome on in. Happy Friday. We're going to be doing some, we're going to try to get stock price prediction. I had an idea trying to use a vision transformer. I think it would be pretty neat. I want to try to see if it gets good results. I don't know. We're just playing around here. We're just playing around. Like I always don't know how long I can be here. Hey, sounds good. At least you're here for just a smidgen. Just a smidgen. It sounds good to me. All right. What is the what's the import? Where do we put in what do we put in cargo? How do we do this? How do we put this? Oh, do we have to do some extra stuff? Oh, we have to do some weird things here, don't we? All right. Get libtorch from PyTorch website. All right. Good. And then we have to put it into the path. Oh, no, we have to do extra work. I don't know where that is. I don't even know where libtorch is. Oh, great. Oh, this is not a good start. I'm trying to get it going. I wanted to get it working. Let's see here. Static linking. When setting the environmental libtorch static, libtorch is statically linked rather than using the dynamic libraries. Pre-compiled artifacts don't seem to include. Okay. So there's a couple of options, but it looks like we have to do extra work. You know what? I don't know if I want to do that. I wonder if we could just, if there's a different, like, maybe we could do something different. Best Rust AI ML libraries. Let's see what we got. Something easier. Let's do something easier. How long will you stream today? Oh, the Tech Man. Probably about 40-ish minutes. Maybe about 40 minutes. StructNet torch init module. All right. Hey, how's it going? Mook Deli. How's it going, Mook Deli? Good to see you. Even if you don't know the code stuff, I'm just here for the vibe community. Nice. Excellent. That sounds good to me. Cargo room. Yeah, right? Cargo room. It feels like a box or there's a room or something, right? Or car going room. One of those. It's like onomatopoeia, right? It's onomatopoeia, you guys. Torch tensor forward. Hey, you're doing some code. RelU. All right, so RelU activation, right? Forward, and then return. Hey, Duck Deli. You're doing some stuff. Also, you're pasting in the MNIST. This is the MNIST data. I know this is the MNIST. I recognize it because of the 784 and the 10 output. On the 10 output, I recognize it. What's the null pointer stuff? I don't know what that part is. The linear output. A linear output, McDeli. Wouldn't you? I guess you would, right? No. Would you? No, because you would want to do. You could do sigmoid, right? It could be linear too. It actually could because the output is such a small size. All right. End-to-end ML development, simple, complex algorithms. No. I want best of ML and Rust. All right. What else we got? Awesome Rust machine learning. Okay. Anyone who's doing machine learning Rust, machine learning libraries. Okay. What do we got over here? What's over here? All right. We got a bunch of options. Oh, combined project quality and score. Okay. What is number one winner? Burn. Everyone likes Burn. And the name is good too. Let's try Burn. Hey, you guys, let's try Burn. Burn is a next-generation tensor library and deep learning framework that doesn't compromise on flexibility, efficiency, or portability. I feel like I've read that before. I'm pretty sure I read that before. Let's do Burn. Does it have Apple? It does. All right, it's got the metal backend. Perfect. And it also has libtorch. All right. So let's do it. It's got everything we want. Let's do Burn. Let's learn some Burn, you guys. Let's see how it works. All right, so let's see here. What are we cooking up? Hey, the Jam, how's it going? The Jam. We are cooking up some artificial intelligence with Rust. I'm going to use Burn library. We're going to try Burn. It looks easy. It looks like it's popular. And then we got some examples here. Let's do it. All right, so let's import. So cargo creates Burn. How do we do this? Here we go. Let's install the latest version. Let's copy this. Here we go. There we go. Oh, let's do this. Let's just add this. There we go. Let's just add an easy command. I like that. Easy commands. Let's not even bother with dependencies. Cargo add burn. Boom. Added burn. Easy. Easy. There we go. I love it. I love it. All right. Making things happen, you hear. Making things happen. All right. So I'm actually going to see cargo. What did it open up? What did it add? That's all it did? Really? Okay. Well, it's all right. Sounds good to me. All right, so source and then main. All right, so we've got our main here. Let me see. Let's see. Cargo run. Let's make sure it runs. Hey, Mr. Axe, how's it going? Happy Friday. Good to see you. Good day after Thanksgiving, right? Good day after Thanksgiving. Even that kind of sounds AI generated. Wait, what sounds AI generated? Oh, wait, the stuff that Mook Deli did? Mook Deli? I mean, it could be. Are you talking about the tech man? Are you talking about Mook Deli? That wrote. It is. I mean, it could be, but it's just the MNIST training model. So it's a really straightforward, simple one. All right, so that worked, right? We got it running. Looks good. Okay. Let's close that. And then we'll copy and paste some Hello World examples to make sure it looks good. And then I want to try adding full attention and then do a import the data of stock data prices every 5 minutes or every minute. And then predict like the next 5 minutes. And let's see how good we could do. I think we could do pretty good. All right, let's bump this in here. All right, so use burn module and backend. All right. Paste that in there. You enjoyed Thanksgiving? Yeah, it did. It was good Thanksgiving. Went over to Sam's house. We hung out. We spent some time. Saw family and friends. It was a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. Apple NB3773. Hi, do you remember me? Apple NB? You know what? I'm not sure if I do or not. I'm not sure. Let me know. Tell me more details. Remind me. Help me remember. Apple, help me remember. Maybe a little bit. Maybe it's a smidgen. All right, let's see here. So, let's see. Position-wise, feed forward. Oh, look at that. Wait, what's going on? A linear, okay. Linear out, drop out, gel you. Interesting. Hey, Virtual Motions Studio. Hey, I just joined now. A brief about Burn, please. All right, so Burn is a machine learning framework for Rust, and it seems to be a really popular one. Flexible, comprehensive, deep learning framework in Rust. That's what that is. And it looks like it provides some nice nicenesses based on Rust. Well, it's like the programming language is more native to Rust. So I was thinking of using libtorch in Rust, which we could do. We could do that. Though it seems like there are a couple of good options here. And Burn is it's basically everything I wanted. And it even supports the backend of Torch, right? So it's got libtorch backend. So that's good. So it supports that. We're good to go there. So I think that's fine. I think that sounds good. We should make your favorite smidgen. Favorite smidgen, just a smidgen? The word smidgen, is that what you're saying, the tech man? I like that word. Just a smidgen. All right, let's see here. Let's take a look what this looks like. I want to do something very simple to just to get things going. Okay, so this is forward. Here, let's copy and paste this here. I don't know what I'm doing here. Then can we run that directly? I don't know. Yes, nice. Yeah, we should absolutely do it. Smidgen, actually smidgen. All right, let me pop this over here. Where is that? Where was I looking? Oh, here we go. 1 second. Live chat, perfect. All right, looking good. Okay, let me pop this over to here. Set paste. Set regular paste, not paste-o. Here we go, paste. All right. So we've got our main function, derive struct. Okay, implement feed, position feed. I don't like all these like generic things here. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like the extra syntax. I don't want it. I want it to be simpler. You should advertise this channel on your website, maybe. We could. I mean, I'm like, we could. So right, my website here, which is right here. Here we zoom out. Here's my business, you guys. Here's my business. Oh, is it? Whoa, what's going on here? Oh, there it goes. Okay, there it goes. Yeah, so my business, we could advertise here. I mean, it's mostly for attracting prospects and customers, right? So it's doing its job. If we put like my channel on here, I think there would be some mixed messages, right? You always want like one important user journey, right? You want a single user journey as best as possible. You want a single user journey. And so it would confuse and bifurcate the user journey. So that, yeah, true that, yeah. So trying to keep everyone focused on exactly what they're looking for there. All right, let's bop back in here to burn. Basic, custom CSV dataset, regression, image, custom image dataset, train simple convolutional neural networks on custom image datasets, following simple folder structure. Okay. MNIST, tensor, text generation. All right. Hey, all right. Data, generative AI. We can do generative AI. Nice. All right. Pre-trained models. Neat. Why use Rust for deep learning? All right. Where else in here? All right. I want more. I need more. All right. The burn book. All right. Let's see the burn book. Let's check. Hey, here we go. Let's learn some burn, you guys. Let's do some reading. Okay. Cargo example guide. We could. Let's jump over here. All right. Dependencies, burn features. Oh, web GPU fusion. Can we do? Okay, so we'll just do default features false. Ah, got it. So you can set it to something very specific. I just bought Gemini Pro. Oh, you did? Gemini Pro? How's it going? Dude, even the Pro, you get like 3 video generations. Really? With Pro even? So that means you get, was that VO? Like VO3 is what you're talking about? Why use Rust for deep learning? I thought Python was the gold standard. It is the jam. It is. It's absolutely the gold standard. You're absolutely right. It's the gold standard. I wanted to do a little bit of Rust today. That's what I felt like doing, some Rust today. That's the idea. That's the point. All right. So we got some linear around. Okay. So we got a whole bunch of stuff. Neat. Okay. So, we got our model here. I like this. This is okay. This feels like it creates a, right? Okay. Oh, this just gives us a bunch of, wait, why are there 2 here? Why are there 2? This week was very busy week. Not able to catch up. Hey, Kamala. Kamala. That's how it goes sometimes, right? Sometimes it's super busy. Yes, VO3, like the clips are 8 to 9 seconds. Nice. Very nice. Well, hey, Kamala, it was great to have you here. Happy Friday. Hope you had a good week, even though it was very busy. Hope it was productive. Mr. Axe, you have a business proposal. You have a business proposal I'd like to share. What's the best place to pitch in? All right, so go to our Discord. Go to our Discord and then send me a direct message. That's the way to do it, Mr. Axe. Mr. Axe, go to our Discord. Kamala, happy Friday. Nice, happy Friday. Thank you. All right, let's go back over here. Turn that down. Let me turn that down there. Okay. All right, we're looking good. Okay, so what else can we do here? All right, model, config, number of classes, hidden, dropout. Sure, if you want. Model. Okay, model. And backend, init, model, implement. Okay, so this is neat. So we're creating a convolutional neural network here. Pool, activation, linear, dropout. Weird to have dropout right here. I feel like that's the wrong place to have dropout. If this is a stacked model, doesn't it feel wrong? It feels wrong. Hey, Quantify Chrome, you'll be vanishing. All right, talk to you later. Have a good moment where you are. Hey, where did your background music go? Oh, can you hear it? Can you hear the background music? It's this. Here, what if I do this? Can you hear it now? What are we building today? Hey, come on. We're building. Let me see here. Here, turn that down. You can hear it? Okay, cool. I didn't want to make it too loud. All right, that was the end of the song. I'm pretty sure. Was that? Yeah, that was it. So a new song is coming up. Here we go. All right. Kamala, what are we building today? We are going to see if we can get some Rust machine learning going. All I want to do is just the goal of the stream is just a basic hello world using the burn library, and I want to see if it works. That's my goal. Mr. Tim Tom, as a beginner, yes. Hey man, how do I start thus? That's what we're doing right now. We're getting started. So we just have our own empty file here where we've got something that we copied and pasted, but we don't know what to do with it now. I have no idea what to do with this. I get this. This feels like PyTorch. I know this part. This feels like PyTorch, though I just don't know what to do with it. Do we create a new one and do a forward pass? Is that what we do? I think that's the idea. Hey, how's it going, Kyle? I missed stream yesterday, but here I am. I'm going to check out your Rust course. Nice. That sounds great. It's basically the majority of the Rust by example. And we cover the whole thing, basically. We don't cover the final chapters because it gets really deep, and you don't need to go that deep. I think most of the time you need just the basics of the language, and you're good to go. Hey, how's it going, Shorts Mania? Shorts Mania, hi, how's it going? Good to see you. You always look so fresh, man. How do you do that? You got insane aura, my guy. You gotta eat fresh. You gotta eat good food. I think it's a really big one. You gotta eat the good food. I'm subbed to Gemini 3, Claude, and Chat. If you're coding, Claude is absolutely the best. Yeah, Code is really good. That's my favorite one. I really like Claude. Claude is great. Gemini is very good at making apps look pretty. Is it? It makes it look pretty? Shorts Mania, good to see ya. Welcome on in. All right, let's see here. I want like a nice end-to-end, very simple. All right, this is what we want. Okay. At a glance, you can use the model configuration by printing the model instance. Print model. Oh, neat. Okay. Model and then device. Default device will probably be a CPU. My backend web GPU. Oh, backends. Oh, we can probably do metal. We could probably do metal here. So we do type my backend is going to be a metal. All right. What is F32, I32? Why do we have to do that? This part right here. Why? Why? Come on. Come on, guys. Really? That's ridiculous. It's crazy. Do you develop code by yourself? Yep, you got it, Shorts Mania. We're writing code on our own. We're copying and pasting right now, so I don't know if we could say we're writing on our own. I don't know if we could say if we're writing on our own. Let's see. So I'm going to copy and paste this right now. We're going to do this instead. All right, we're going to do this instead. Set, paste. Here we go. Paste. All right. And delete that. Paste that. All right. So we got our model there. We got the main, and then we're going to go over here, and then we're going to copy and paste this. Model. Wait, is this a separate model file? Is that what that is? Model config. All right, so we don't need to say mod model here. I don't think we do. Jonathan, hey, how's it going? Who is back? Nice, Jonathan. Good to see you. Because Rust. I know, right? That's it. That's because Rust. Exactly. The GM. He's CTO of a software company. You're basically a technical founder, from what I understand. You got it, Kyle. You got it. You figured it out. That's me. That's it. You got it, Kyle. UniqueX. So when I say Kyle, like I'm talking about UniqueX here in stream. I'm talking about UniqueX. How you implement AI in your code? Oh, we're going to be doing a feed-forward neural network using Burn, the Burn framework. We could write it all ourselves from scratch, but we did that already. We already did that. So, well, GitHub is the coder's paradise by this point. It's really good. I really like GitHub. It's a good one. This is wonderful. You're teaching about AI plus markets. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. You got it, Packeta. That's what we're doing. That's what it is. Kokodo, hey, how's it going? Welcome on in. Who is Jonathan? Jonathan is someone who has donated a lot on stream. Like, keeps sending jewels, like over and over and over. So many jewels, you guys. I had to go last time because I can send $200 now. Don't do it. Jonathan, that's like one of the things that keeps happening. Like, Jonathan's like, I can send a whole bunch of money. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Hey, Roro Hog, how's it going? Welcome on in. Happy Friday. Hey, John Moore, Julia, you made it here. You did? Welcome on in. Good to see you. All right, let's see what we can do here. I want to try and copy paste this. All right. So I want to try. Let's just copy and paste this and make it. We're gonna follow the instructions. We're gonna follow them exactly, right? So there's a main function here, and we're gonna see if we can get it to run. That's like the most important thing, because then we can start messing around that set no paste. Set no paste. There we go. Come on. I know I don't do it. Hey, Jonathan, real dog. You got it. Jonathan is the investor. Pretty much at this point, right? I know, right? Jonathan is the investor, you guys. She's the investor. Jonathan knows. He knows your potential. He knows your potential, you guys. Did you finish working on the game for now? Good business. We've done some good on the game. We've made some progress. There's like the sunshine is in my eye right now. The sun is in my eye, you guys. We've got some good progress here. This morning I felt like doing some Rust. That's what I did. Good business. I want to do some Rust. So that's the plan. We're going to do some Rust here today. All I want to do is get the hello world working, and then we're good to go. I still need to watch the stream. Hey, it's all good. It's gonna be there. It's there. Happy Thanksgiving. All right, hey, Rorohawk, thank you. Happy Thanksgiving. Good to see you. Sounds good to me. Nice. All right. So we're also gonna do based on. So we see here. We're gonna try to do stock prediction using Rust. That's what we're going to do. Stock prediction using Rust. I think that's going to be a fun one. And I wanted to use a vision transformer or something similar. And I had some ideas this morning that I wanted to try out. Although we probably won't make it in time. I know we won't because we don't have... today has to be a shorter stream because we've got a lot of things to take care of today. It feels so weird that you have sunshine. I know, basically almost midnight. Yeah, the sun's right here. I could open the window, but like it's coming through like the shades, the blind shades. Kamala, happy Thanksgiving. Thank you. $200 for the game. The game is free. The game, Jonathan. The game is free. You don't have to pay for it. There's no unless you want me to go back to the game. I still don't. I don't want to though. we could. I want to convert it into a mobile game. So I'll probably have the AI take the base game that it created and then have it converted over to C# and Unity. I think that's the plan. C# and Unity. I sent you the proposal and we'll wait for your reply. All right, Mr. X. Sounds good. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'll check that out on Discord. All right, so can we get this to run here? I want to see if we can get this to run. All right, cargo run. Is it going to run or crash? It's here's the problem. So was there a dropout? There was. Here's the problem. Even falling. Oh, we have to go up here. Oh, we have to copy more. We have to copy even more. All right, so 1 second. Let's do that. All right, let's do... PB paste over to our main, source main. There we go. Back over here. Close and then reopen the main file. Then we drop up here, up to the top of the screen. Here we go. All right. So I think that's the idea. I bet Steven lives in Silicon Valley. I did. I used to. I did just a moment ago. Then I moved to Seattle because I moved back home. I moved back home to Seattle, you guys. For over 10 years, I was in San Francisco, in Silicon Valley. I mean, I could send money so you can make the stuff have money to play better with better graphics. We're good to go, Jonathan. We're funded. We're funded. We could do all the things we need to do. We could do all the things we need to do, you guys. All right, 1 second. Let me check a few things here on my phone. Gotta check a few things on my phone. Looks good to me. All right. All good to go. Good to go. Why your PC specs? What are your PC specs? All right, so we'll do that here. Here we go. HTOP. Here we go. All right, PC specs. Oh my goodness, I'm using a lot of memory right now. I'm using a lot of memory. All right, so we've got what is it? 16 core machine with 128 gigs of RAM. There you go. 16 core machine, 128 gigs of RAM. That's a lot, you guys. That's a lot. I'm afraid of C++. Kyle, me too, right? Do you think C++ is harder than Rust? Yes, it is, because you can make mistakes. You can make a lot more mistakes. Although, I guess from that perspective, if you can compile some code that could cause some problems and it will work, it might be easier perceptively because Rust is very strict. Rust is super strict, right? Rust is phenomenally strict. It's going to give you a hard time when you're programming, like a really hard time. Like a really, really hard time. All right, let's close that. Go over here. Oh, no. Whoop. You can't do that. Yes. Relight. Okay, perfect. All right. Cargo run. All right, is it going to run? Oh, we don't have a web GPU backend. All right, so let's do something else. Last time I said not .1, but, and that the beginning of the stream, when you stream, is all about to be done. Wait. What do you mean it's all about to be done? Is it? John Moore. How's it going, John Moore, Julia? Doing FFI Gen for Julia to C++ right now. Is it Nightmare? Is it? It sounds like it is. That sounds like something I never want to touch. That sounds like a tough time you got over there, John Moore. Right, but C++ seems to be crazy. I'd rather learn Rust. Right? There you go. Get on to Rust. Get on to the Rust. Can we do metal? Can we do metal? Is that something that we can do? /WGPU. All right, metal. Is that something that we can do? I don't know. No metal backend. Do we have to do something special? Can we backends? All right, so how do we get that? So it's not even working. It says web GPU, but it's not even working. Web GPU doesn't work. Oh my goodness. See, here's one of the problems. Like if you're doing Python, you don't have to run into any of these issues. Steven, any other languages other than English? Of course. Coding languages? Yeah. So JavaScript, Python, Go, Rust, of course. Ruby, well, that's good. I mean, like PHP if you want, right? We've done some Erlang, Stream. I was saying, why not 10? What do you mean 0.1? And I was at the different of time. What is 0.1? I don't even know what do you mean 0.1? What is 0.1? I don't know. All right. Jonathan, I don't get it. Is Burn already supported CUDA? Yeah, I think so. Let's check it out. Let's see if there was a list here. There was a list of supported things here. NVIDIA CUDA. Yep, it is. It supports it. It supports CUDA, you guys. Amadeus. Winato. Burn is supported with CUDA. And it would be faster. It would be a lot faster. Like a bunch faster. I don't know if it could be a lot faster than, say, LibTorch, because LibTorch is heavily used by a lot of people and has been optimized a lot over the years. So, and that's how it goes. Steven answered exactly the opposite. I was joking. Oh, the other languages except for coding languages, just English. I haven't studied any. The tech man, I haven't studied any other language. Dude, 100 gigs on a Mac? I know, right? That is like having an NVIDIA H100. It is, yeah. It is, although all my RAM is going to Chrome tabs. All the RAM is going over to Chrome tabs. So that's what I use my RAM for. That's what I use my RAM for. The AI movement. Oh, 0.1. Gotcha. Okay. So when you're training an AI, you want the loss to be low. You want a low loss. So when you drop it, get below 1, all the way down to 0.1, and lower than 0.1. That's what I want to see. I want to get this working. All right, back ends. Here we go. CPU back ends. Oh, interesting. All right, can we just do CPU? Like, how do we? All right. It's not giving me all the things. All right, so wait a second. There was some cargo stuff that we could add in here. All right, let's add this. All right, let's do this. Burn. Let's add the features. You guys. Let's do this. Let's do it. Just like this. This is what we're missing. I'm pretty sure this is what we're missing. Vi cargo. Cargo Tomo. Here we go. All right, paste that in. Get rid of that. Don't care. Yes. Don't care. What is this? Train vision. Oh, vision. Okay, got it. So is training okay, so get rid of that. Perfect. All right, STD UI train vision WGPU. I wonder if we could do metal. Can we do metal? Is that something we could do as well? Whoa, Jonathan, what are you doing over there? Jonathan? Just my screen filled up all of a sudden. What are these jewels, man? Hey, these jewels I think are money. I think it's money. I'm pretty sure it's money. What's your point? Wait, what point do you worry about? Overfitting? You can, if you're doing deep learning with a lot of data, right? Deep learning with a lot of data, you want to make sure not to overfit on a segment of data where you have more data. If you have sparse data sets, with, data sets where you want to cover as much as possible and for the AI to learn, you don't want to have a weight where you've got so much data that focuses on one area of an idea and then just a little bit of data over here that focuses on an important part of it. And so in order to balance that, you want to make sure that you don't overfit from a large amount of your data. There's a lot of tricks that you can do so that way you keep the model learning and training. And that's really the big game. That's the big game. You can write a model, right? You can define your model and stack it and it will be fine. However, it won't be any good if you don't got your data good. All right, let's see if that works, you guys. Let's see if that works. Hey, Jonathan, thank you for all the beautiful jewels. You're sending all the jewels. We're sending away so... That's amazing. Thank you, Jonathan. Thank you. It's like you're saying we're doing okay here. It's like you're saying, I heard there is a deal set between Google and Facebook about TPU chips. So the NVIDIA shares got down? They did? Is that true? I think, I heard that too. I heard it was also true. All right, let's jump back over here. We don't have this, so we can get rid of that. We don't need that. All right, bop that over here. Is it? Model could not be create model. All right, so here, create. All right. Oh, wait, we don't need that. There we go. Okay. Is it working? It's working. It seems like it's working this time, you guys. All right, so now we have actually something that works, as far as I can tell. If it can compile this last thing, what's going on here? Let's see, where is this? No. Yes. Oh, it worked. Okay, it worked. We did it. We did it. All right. So now that we have something that works, we can mess around with it. We can mess around with it, you guys. All right. So this is, I don't need to do convolutional neural network. Let's see here. Jonathan, thank you for all the beautiful, wonderful donations. That's so cool, Jonathan. It is money. It is. That's what it is. Hey, Ben Think Show. Ben Think Show, how's it going? Welcome on in. That's the lowest I've ever seen. All right. The lowest ever. Sent. What do you mean the lowest? Sent. That's what have ever though. Okay. Do you know break keys? Wait, what is that? I don't know what break keys are. I really don't. Holy autocorrect. Is it? Oh, Jonathan. Oh, got it. Okay, sorry. No worries. Jonathan, thank you for all the jewels. You sent a whole bunch of them. That's beautiful. Thank you. I appreciate it. You're wonderful. You are wonderful. All right, so we've got something that works here. I want to do, before we go, I want to do like the XOR. Let's do the XOR real quick. All right, so that let x equals, this will be, what do we want to do? So 0, 1. No, 0, 0. And then 0. Here we go. Like, let's just do this. We'll just do this real quick. I know. All right. So, and then we do dot. There we go. All right. So that's x. I want to do XOR. All right. So let's do let y equals. We'll do the same thing here. We'll just do 0. All right. Yep. There we go. Is this XOR? Or is that the opposite of XOR? I don't remember. Is this XOR or the opposite of XOR? I really don't remember. It doesn't matter because it's going to train either way. It'll train either way, you guys. All right. Put that in the middle and then put this in the middle over here. So it's all pretty. Got to make it pretty. There we go. So that looks good. What is he programming? Hey, how's it going? Narendrago, welcome on in. We're using the Burn library with Rust. We're using the Burn library with Rust, which is a deep learning framework, and we're just trying to get things set up here. I'm in the lowest you've ever sent. Oh, got it. Of jewels? It is. So far it is, but thank you. It's still appreciated. It's still appreciated. Know the Unity YouTuber break keys. Oh, who took a break and then shifted to Godot. Really? Is that what happened? I didn't know. It was $30. That was $30. Are you serious? Combined for 2 jewels. That's amazing. Really? Jonathan, you're being very, very, very nice today. You're being very nice. You're always nice. Jonathan, you're always nice. Thank you for hanging out and all the beautiful donations. Thank you. All right, so let's see here. I want to model config new. What is this? All right, model config. Is this up here? Where is that? Oh, model config. All right, it's up here. Num classes hidden and dropout. All right. New init backend device. All right. So that's what's going on. Let's see if so it didn't actually learn or train on anything. So is this the num of classes will be 2, and then hidden at 512. But what about input? What about the input size? How do I deal with that? All right. I linear config. All right, let's just do this. Linear 1 and then activation, and we'll do linear 2 and then linear 3. We'll do some, and then we want, can we do linear 4 maybe? Or I don't know. I'm not used to this. I don't know. I don't know how this works. All right, so we're gonna figure this. We'll figure it out. Jonathan, you Noi Elon. Wait, what does that mean? What is that Noi Elon? All the jewels I sent this stream was a total of $30. That's amazing. Hey, how's it going, Abby? Welcome on in. Thank you, Jonathan. That's wonderful. That's really nice for you to do that. You don't have to do that. Not? Oh, gotcha. Are you sure he's not Elon? It could be, right? It could be. You never know. All right, so do we initialize this? Do we initialize this model? We do right here in the model config. Oh, I see. Okay. Where is this at? All right, so struct model. And then this. Interesting. Okay. Got it. Can we just simplify this? I want to simplify it. Let's do this. Like that. There we go. Simplified. And then the output is, let's see, where is that at? ReLU. Can we do, I guess we could just do linear. Although, is there like a sigmoid in here? I wonder if there's a sigmoid. I wonder if there's a sigmoid in here that we could do. Here, let's comment this out really quick. No, we can't. There's a trait. There's a trait that will cause it to fail on compilation. Hey, NeoOxide, how's it going? Welcome on in. Happy Friday, NeoOxide. Good to see you. What AI library are you using? This is Burn. I'm new to the channel. Just came across and I'm invested now. Might be someone. All right, so this is the Burn library. So it's Burn. We're just trying it out. We're trying it out on a Friday. AI and Rust, you got it. Nice. That's right. NeoOxide, you got it. You know, you should add like a small highest donor box. Oh, that's a good idea. I didn't even think of that. We could absolutely add that. I need to figure out how to do that. All right, I'll add that to my to-do list. Good idea, the tech man. Good idea, because then Jonathan will show up as #1 on the stream. It'll show up at your name. Jonathan, you'll be right there. When can I send $200 to all the streams? I've been sending money. I've been sending about 500. That's a lot, Jonathan. That's amazing. See, you're good. You don't ever have to send any more. You're good. Hey, how's it going, Melodrama? Hope you don't have another meeting soon. Hey, we're good. Although I do have, we have to do a short stream today. So we only actually have 10 minutes left, you guys. We only have 10 minutes left. But it's great. I'm so happy that you all are here on a Friday. You just installed Windows, and I have even finished installing the drivers, and I'm here to see you. Hey, NeoOxide, it's great to have you here. Jonathan, what? I know, right? Right, it's already been almost an hour, and the countdown begins. I know, right, Melodrama Boy? Alrighty, all right. I just want to do something. This is the one goal for the stream. The one goal. I love how Steven knows he's got billions in the background. Yeah, you guys. Yeah, we're over here. We're here. We're out here. All right, let's see here. So let's do linear activation, and then so I want it to be like this: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wait, hold on. Was there only one activation? Do we have to do this? Do we have to do it like this? Really? I think we have to. Let's just do a linear output like this. There we go. So that's what it will be like this right here. Right? So it'll be like this. All right. So linear 1 is going to be linear, ReLU, linear. All right, ReLU, yep. And then linear, and then done. Linear 3. Okay, perfect. Looks good. Okay. And then is this the input? And is this the okay. How do we set the output size? Oh, right here is the number of classes, right here. Oh. All right. I know what's going on. All right, I'm starting to get it now. We figured this out. Or the input, I don't know. It's going to be 2. It'll be 2. So that's for the XOR. All right, so that should. All right, so we are not using dropout. Model struct dropout. We could just delete that. Config default dropout. Okay, we're not going to do dropout. So is dropout dropout? All right, so model config. Right here. 1 second. Number of classes new. Okay. That's fine. We just delete it and we're good to go. We're good to go now. Hey, Somalia. Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. Somalia, if you would give a full roadmap for AI, what would it be? I want to start learning more about AI and machine learning. Just don't know where I should start. Yeah, start. So it's here on our, right here. Go right here. And it's also on our Discord channel under the free resources. Right over here under free resources, it's the MNIST training dataset with Keras, and I think it's the best starting point because it's really easy. It's very short, and you'll have your own fully trained artificial neural network for optical character recognition is what you'll have. Let's see. I was already about to talk to my bank and send $100, but I guess I can't. Hey, Jonathan, yeah, exactly. You're good to go. You're already #1 donor. You're #1. You don't have to go any further. You're good. You should do IRL vlog of a day in life in the PubNub CTO. I want to really badly. Everyone doesn't want me to. There are a lot of people who don't want me to do that. The tech man, I really wanted to. I wanted to stream all of their executive meetings. Like, was it 10 years ago? I'm like, we should stream all this on live. Like, we should be streaming this live right now. I wanted to do it. They're like, no. They're like, no, we don't want to do that. Like, why not? Let's do it. I really want to do it, though. There's people who don't want me to do it. Let's keep the conversation about code, guys. All right, we could say, so, hey, Somaya, jumping over here on the horizontal stream. I mean, $1,000. Do you own a sports car like a Lamborghini? I used to have a really fast car. Then I found out that you can press a button on your phone and a car will come to you automatically. So I used to have a sports car. I don't anymore. Because I'm done. I did it. I achieved it. I lived that life. I'm happy and comfortable now. But I would definitely bring a lot of public publicity. I know it would, right? The tech man. I know. So I'm telling everyone. I'm like, hey guys, we should do this. We should make it happen. They're like, no. SVT. I had an SVT Mustang for a good number of years, and it was a lot of fun. All right, so let's pop back over here. All right, getting back to coding, you guys. So I don't have any time left, and so I need to finish this. I really want to finish this. We don't need 512 at all. We don't. Let's do 128. Let's do 128, you guys. All right. So let's see if that builds. Nope. It doesn't. Oh, activation. All right, here we go. All right. It doesn't build. All right, activation 1 and 2. All right, down. All right, then we go over here and do activation 1 and activation 2. There we go. Is that going to work now? Is that going to work? I don't know. We're going to find out. It gave me some warnings, but it looks like it's building. Bro, buy 1. I use my money, and I could probably buy 2. Right? Jonathan, I know, right? I'm good, though. I'm perfectly happy. I'm good. I need a new computer, Jonathan. Invest in me. All right, Kyle needs a new computer, Jonathan. Get some help over there to Kyle. Why isn't? Oh, I don't either. All right, so that's fine. Oh, drop out. See, okay, got it. All right, so _/ drop. All right, see, we don't use this anymore, so let's get rid of that. I wonder if we could do, now that we've got something that is building correctly. Conv2, all right, conv. All right, so we don't do that anymore. We don't do that. We do these guys. All right, so let's see, getting rid of those things. All right, XY, it sounds good to me. Let's just underscore those for now. Clean, build, no warnings. We took care of everything. Isn't that beautiful? All right, all the warnings are gone, you guys. Everything's wondering, hey, what are you developing? Kareem, hey, how's it going, Kareem? We're building we're using the Burn library with Rust in order to do some stock price predictions. That's what we're going to do. Although we don't have enough time today to get started on that part of it. I just wanted to get the Burn library up and running with the XOR operator. So we're going to train the AI on XOR, and then we have to go. And we're already past time. I actually have to get going here. Hey, I'm new, law student, but I'm still interested in programming. Nice. Sounds awesome. Nero Drago. What is the best language I should learn professionally for AI to create automated and learn Python? It's Python. The answer is Python. There you go. It's Python, you guys. Air sending $200 and whatever. All right, Jonathan. Wait, hold on. Stream you have. We all have channels. We should just live stream. Hey, there you go. And let Jonathan support everyone. There we go. Jonathan's got the cash, you guys. Yo, how's it going? Braun, it's going good. Good to see you. Welcome on in. We're writing some Rust today. I need 5090, Jonathan. My CFO wife won't let me. All right. Yeah. Yo, today I have an interview for an internship. Hey, nice. Somalia, that sounds good. Somalia, I got one role. It pays really well, but they said that I sound arrogant in the interview. Oh no, but they also told me that I was the best candidate up front. Say, hey, then they should hire you. That's what they should do. They should hire you. Oh no, for the easy to pay for. Kyle with Stream Steven. With Stream Steven, I'm headed out. Bye. Okay, Eddie Legendary, it's good to see you. We're headed out here too in a little bit. I want to finish this up. Bro, good work. Nice. Thank you, Kareem. I want to ask you, I'm currently learning Java with Swing. Oh no, not Swing. Oh no. It sounds like you've got some old professors who want you to learn some things that they know all about already, and they don't want you to learn new stuff. Swing is not new. Swing has been around almost older than me. Swing is very old. Tell me, Pakistan, you learn for Java. Mobile app development, Kotlin. Kareem, the answer is Kotlin. It's not Java. You're using JVM, but you can use Kotlin, and it's a little bit better. Use Kotlin, you guys. Kotlin is the way to go. I just feel like they are trying to humble. We are trying to humble you. That's it. That's basically it. I'm pretty sure you're right, the tech man, on that. Watching on my PC that I bought. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are, Jonathan. You can afford that. IG Hitake, how's it going? Good to see ya. All right, let's see if we can get, so we got this all working. So I want to do a model forward now. So we initialized it. Do we have to, what else do we have to do? Let's pop it over here. All right, so we're almost done. Linear activation, backend web GPU, tensor, okay. What's going on here? Let's see here. Did we grab it all already? All right. Grabbed it. All right, so, all right. It seems like we're missing some stuff here. I do have to get going. I have to get going, guys. Okay, so where is this? Do we need to put the tensors in? Oh, no, we skipped down to here. Okay. Is there more? Is there more to it? Okay. Okay, here we go. Forward. I knew it. I knew we had to define the forward function. I knew it. All right, so let's copy this. Let's copy it over to our code here. Set paste. We have to get going, you guys. We're out of time. We're out of time. We've run out of time. I got to get going. We'll probably have to finish up. Okay, so let me wrap up some of the comments here on streams. Good to see you, everyone. I wanted to get this going. So we almost got, it builds. It's looking good. Oh, Jonathan, thank you for the jewels. Oh, wait, I can't see all the chat messages. Hold on a second. I got to catch up here. See here. Thank you so much. I just downloaded and subscribed to Python. Nice. And learned the basics like 3 days ago. I'm really happy that you confirmed. Nice. It's Python. You got it. The right choice. You did it. The right choice. You did it. Jonathan is Elon, right? I know, right? Why can't we make let underscore y one? Wait, what do you mean? I'm doing that just to get rid of the warnings. And so once we get the forward function defined, which we have it here, it's right here. I need to update this so that way it works for all the different things that we've got. We don't need that. Oh, neat. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, so we do have to define. We need the inputs. The inputs here will be in. Let's say inputs. Tensor B3. What does that mean? Tensor B2. Tensor B1. B2. I think I have to do that. And then we have to do a bunch of stuff here. Then we have to do a whole bunch of stuff, and then we can do the... All right. I do got to get going. I got to get going. Man, we should make meme clips for you. That would be great. Why not? Go for it. Jonathan, thank you again for the wonderful jewels. I appreciate it. You don't have to do that. Which processor chipset is better for AI? Is it TPUs? TPUs are technically better. They are purpose-built specifically for AI training. GPU chips are multi-purpose accelerators for matrices that work for gaming and for AI at the same time. So TPU is technically better. It's going to be more energy efficient and more targeted and focused. So TPU better. GPU also fine. You're good to go. That was only $20. That's way more than it needs to be, Jonathan. Thank you. Bro, Java is my university course. So on Sideways, I know you're learning NumPy. For machine learning, nice, NumPy. All right, Python, there you go. So tell a little bit about how much I should learn topics for machine learning. Yes, definitely Python for machine learning. You're doing it right, Kareem. You're doing it right. You got it. Have a good day, Stephen. Bye, everyone. See you, Kyle. All right, have a good day, UniqueX. Good to see you. All right, everyone. I do have to run now. I do. It was so great to see you all. I'm so happy that you're here. I want to keep hanging out, but I've got work to do. I got some work to do, you guys. I got to take care of business. I'm also Dip. See you Monday. All right, the Tech Man sounds good. How are you, Mohammed? We're doing good, Mohammed, but we're just headed out now. We're leaving now. We got to go, guys. Thank you for spending time with me. We'll do some more Rust and AI, and we'll do some stock price predictions. That's what we'll do. We'll do some stock price predictions because I had an idea that I wanted to test out. Have a good one, bro. The gym, cool. Thank you. You have to go do errands. All right, cool. Sounds good, Jonathan. All right, everyone. Thank you for hanging out with me. We're headed out now. Tell me your timing for live and tell where are you from? All right, Kareem. We're from United States in Seattle, Washington. We go live on Monday through Friday between 10 a.m. Pacific and 2 p.m. Pacific in that time zone, in that time range. So there you go. That's what it is. That's what we do. It was great to have you all here today on a Friday. We had a lot of fun getting a little bit more Rust going here. And we got to get going. All right, everyone. CUDA cores like TPUs, and surprisingly, Intel Arc are AI cores too. You are absolutely right. You could use those for AI. Cool. Bye, Kay. Thanks. Bye. Love you. All right, cool. Thank you. Love you guys too. That was so awesome. I have to go to Walmart and get Costco. I'm next. Nice. There you go. That's actually a good idea. Busy, yeah, get busy. Yeah, you got to get some busy. Yeah, get busy. Nice. Me too. All right, guys. We're headed out. Good to see you today. Thank you so much. Hey, Soki, we're just headed out. You got here at the end of stream. We'll be back on Monday, and we'll be doing more AI, more Rust, and more stock price predictions. That's what we'll do. We'll see how it works. I had an idea, and I want to test it out.